Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cute, simple hairstyle. So I first started off by moisturizing her hair, and as you can see, Sefari did not leave her cap on last night, so her hair is all beautiful and fluffy. And then I'm just using our wide tooth comb just to get all those knots out. And now I'm just creating an L-shaped part, and I just started off by using the arch of her eyebrow as my guide and just bringing that part all the way back until about the tip of her head. And then where I ended that part, I'm just going to create another part, and that's going to make your L-shaped part. So now here I'm just going to start off by making a diagonal part. And then before I get that elastic in there, I'm going to use the control paste on her edges. So this is how my diagonal part looks. It's actually a slight diagonal part. So now I'm just going to place the elastic in the center of that part. So now again, I'm just making another slight diagonal part. And then using some of the Blueberry Bliss control paste on those edges. And then I just grabbed another elastic, and I'm just going to take that ponytail in the front and combine it to that part that I just did at the back. And then I'm going to put them together and put that elastic in there. And then I just did the exact same steps with the rest of the hair. And friends, I did want to mention that I did get these elastics from sallybeauty.com. I'll leave a link in the description box. You can also get them from Amazon. I used to buy mine from Amazon until the shipping hiked up. And also you can get it actually at the Sally Beauty store. So I'll leave a link for all those. And also I'm going to have links in the description box of all the products that I use in this video. So now, as you can see, I'm just using a little bit of the Blueberry Bliss control paste on her edges there, and you do want to use it at the back of her, like just above her neck. So now before I get a ponytail in there, I'm just using this soft bristle brush just to smooth out those edges. If you have a little one with hair like Sefari's, even like Sekora's, I would totally invest in buying a soft bristle brush. This one cost me about $2. I got it from a beauty supply store. But this brush works amazingly when smoothing out those edges when you're putting it in a ponytail or any type of style. But anyways, you don't have to put a ponytail on this part. You could just like leave it out and get some flaxseed gel and make those curls pop. It would look so cute, but I'm just putting a ponytail in it. And now for this part, sorry that it's blurry, but I just grabbed my fine tooth comb and I just put the teeth in that comb right below where that elastic is, and I just turned and turned and turned until I was at the bottom. And then again, as you can see, I just used my finger to turn it and make it even more into a cute little ringlet or whatever type of curl you want to call this. And then again, I did the same thing for the other ponytail. And then I just grabbed the toothbrush without adding any more of the control paste just to clean up those edges. So my friends, there you have it, a really simple hairstyle. So friends, sometimes I do hesitate putting out a really simple hairstyle, but I do realize some of you do like them and need them. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below if you do love me putting out the simple hairstyles. We love you, friends.
Bye, friends. I feel like